Is Luke Heckel, and I'm the commercial sales manager for the Americas at Sonos. And right now I'm going to tell you a little bit about our newest product, the Amp Multi. Hasn't even shipped yet, isn't even available yet, but will be very, very soon. So Amp Multi is, as Casey, the director of our channel, likes to say, our love letter to the channel. It is our first multi-output, multi-zone, multi-source amplifier. 8 channels that deliver 125 watts each, capable of powering up to 24 passive Sonos by Sonos speakers, our Sonos architectural line. There's also the streaming capabilities, so basically 4 streamers built into this device, alongside its 2 analog inputs, the RCA in, and then that USB-C that also offers analog input. The crazy thing about it is that you can take those sources and you can create up to 4 zones from a single Amp Multi. And you can utilize those sources, you can route them to any of the outputs however you see fit. You're not tethered to any rules or any like, hey, 1 and 2 have to be zone 1, 3 and 4 have to be zone 2. There are no rules that way. So you can create stereo zones, you can create mono zones, in whatever way best supports your distributed audio needs, whether that be in a residence or in a commercial setting. So for more information about Amp Multi, please check out Sonos.com or talk to your commercial account manager, because we would love to fill your head with more information about Amp Multi.